Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: platform, account, and access. Once those are valid, join Zooba's official channels and the game's beta sign-up on Google Play or TestFlight. You do this to receive invites and over-the-air updates. Make sure to enable developer or tester settings so the beta APK or TestFlight build can install. If asked for a region or code, enter it precisely. This prevents account mismatches and speeds up receiving the build. Now you focus on accessing and installing the beta build. When you get an invite, tap the link and accept quickly because invites often expire. Once accepted, grant the installer permissions and allow in-game telemetry if you want full features. This helps developers diagnose issues. Install the build and sign in with the account used for registration. After installation, check for immediate updates. Betas push frequent patches, so keep auto updates on to stay compatible with servers. Finish by completing the game's onboarding and link your social or store account so progress syncs. Play test matches and report crashes, lag, or progression bugs using the beta feedback form or Discord bug channel. Include steps to reproduce and device info. If you can't access the beta, try clearing app cache, uninstalling, and reinstalling the beta build, then restart your device. If issues persist, reach out to support with logs. This step often resolves registration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.